Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the LMS. In this video, we will walk you through how to log in, enter a module, and explore the different sections within it. First, go to lms.simswiss.ch. Enter your username and the password provided to you. Then click Login to access the system. Once you have logged in, you will see a list of all the modules you are enrolled in. Select the module you want to view to enter its main page. Each module contains 6 main sections: Introduction, Learning Materials, Resources, Book, Assignments and Discussion Forum. Let's go through each section. In the Introduction section, you will find the module syllabus, the teaching plan, Zoom links for each session. This is the essential area to understand the schedule and overview of the module. In Learning Materials, you can access lecture slides, class documentation prepared by the lecturer. These materials support your learning throughout the module. The Resources section provides additional materials such as journal articles, news, related book chapters. These are great for expanding your knowledge and supporting your assignments. In the Book section, you will find the main textbook used for the class, additional recommended reading materials. This helps you deepen your understanding of the subject. In the Assignments section, lecturers will upload quizzes, assignments, any required submission tasks. Remember to check this section regularly to avoid missing deadlines. The Forums section is a space for interaction and discussion. Here, both learners and lecturers can create discussion topics, share ideas, ask questions, participate in class conversations. We hope this guide helps you navigate the LMS smoothly. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful learning experience.